Hey, morning, guys. Hey, by now, you should all have gotten your samples of the 9352, which is a 4-inch diameter round outlet box. May look just the same as the 9351, which is obviously currently a box that we have. Just a basic design. The 9351 and the 9352 are actually the same box cubic inch wise. But the 9352s are different in the fact that they have the fixture mounting pattern here, as you can see, that accepts just the 3.5-inch width fixture mounting pattern. As the 9351, which we currently have, has the 2 and 3/4, as well as a 3.5-inch bosses. They're the tapped holes that, and they both accept the 832 fasteners with them. So the 9351 is going to stay. It's a key item for us, but the 9352 feels a need, and it feels a need to where there are certain fixtures that are out now that manufacturers are making that will not fit into a box that has both bosses in it at the 2 and 3/4 and the 3.5-inch size. So doing away with that opens this up. A device, for instance, like an aux sensor or some of the newer pucks or newer LEDs. Maybe they'll fit in here into 9351, but sometimes the bottoms of these new fixtures are maybe offset, and what it's doing is, even if it's fitting in here, it's pulling it away, and all of a sudden the brackets for these mounting fixtures are not lining up correctly, just due to the fact that we've just taken up a little more real estate to have that 2 and 3/4-inch boss in there too. So it alleviates that problem. There are a lot of fixtures that will fit in here that won't fit into the 9351 or competitors, the Carlon's 30, 40, or 40 box. So keep that in mind. You've got the NK version with the clamps, speed clamps, and also, which I think is probably going to be a little more exciting, we've got this in a BHK also. So if you have any questions on that, give me a call. I should be getting some literature on it. I don't think it's on our website yet. It just kind of passed UL testing, and I also don't have a price point. But still, don't be afraid to take it out there and show guys. Let them know exactly kind of what I told you. The reason why we've done this is to accommodate some of the newer fixtures out there. But the 9351 is still going to continue to be made. So if you have any questions, give me a ring. Thanks. Take care. Be safe. Bye-bye.